Warning: some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised. All right, guys, I do have a Tuesday morning editorial for you. In fact, I've got a few editorials on my list to do. I don't know how many I'll get to today, but if I don't get through all of them today, then I have some for tomorrow, next day. So we've got several editorials that I'm going to be getting to on my list. So stay tuned to this YouTube channel. If you tune away, you're going to miss these editorials. Fox 13 News, thank you for this story. Television station security guard accused of fatally shooting a pro-police demonstrator following opposing rallies was charged Monday with second-degree murder, according to the Denver District Court Clerk's office. The charges in the death of Lee Keltner, 49, were filed to the district court against Matthew Dolloff, 30, who was protecting a KUSA TV producer at the time of the incident. The next hearing is set for Wednesday morning, that's tomorrow. According to the district court clerk's office, no attorney has been listed for Dolloff yet in court records. People convicted of second-degree murder face a mandatory sentence of between 16 and 48 years in prison. William Boyle, a lawyer for Keltner's widow, said Friday that he thinks the evidence available supports a second-degree murder charge. Under Colorado law, second-degree murder is defined as knowingly killing someone, but without the deliberation. Now, the deliberation is what prosecutors are required to prove in first-degree murder cases. So basically what they're saying is he killed this guy without, thinking about it. He didn't plan to go and just kill this guy. It just happened. So he knowingly, willingly killed this guy, but he didn't deliberate on it. He didn't go, hey, I'm going to go kill that motherfucker right there. That would have been first-degree murder. And we thought initially, I think he was going to get charged with first-degree murder, but there was no pre-plan, no deliberation on it. It just happened. And so they said, well, we're going to go second-degree murder. Boyle said he has reached out to KUSA TV, Pinkerton, and Isborne Security, the security company, that said it hired Dolloff for the work as a contractor to Pinkerton, seeking more information about their actions. He said he did not immediately hear back from them and that a lawsuit against any entity involved in allowing Dolloff to work without a license was a possibility in order to open a conversation. Boyle said, quote, "We are just trying to find out exactly what happened, why it happened, and who is responsible for creating the situation that resulted in Mr. Keltner's death." Police say Keltner was in a verbal dispute with a 27-year-old man as the rallies broke up Saturday when Dolloff and a 25-year-old person got into an altercation with Keltner. Keltner slapped Dolloff in the head, and Dolloff pulled out a semi-automatic handgun and shot Keltner as Keltner discharged pepper spray at him, police said in an arrest affidavit. A cell phone video taken by KUSA's producer suggests that Keltner was upset that his dispute with the first man was being recorded by cameras. It shows Keltner in a confrontation with a man wearing a t-shirt that read "Black Guns Matter." A bystander is trying to defuse the argument, which occurred after a Patriot Muster demonstration and BLM Antifa soup drive counter-protest downtown. The video then shows Keltner holding a spray can walking out of view. A man's voice, it's unclear if it's Keltner, is heard saying the area was no place for cameras. An unidentified man says, "Get the cameras out of here or I'm going to F you up." Keltner and Dolloff are then shown scuffling before the video stops. The producer resumes filming after the shooting and tells arriving police that he is with the press and says of the man who was shot, "That guy was going to get me." He also says the security guard shot Keltner because Keltner used mace. Someone out of view can also be heard saying he's got magazines in his coat, but it is not clear who the person is talking about. Police said they found 2 guns, but they have not explained who they belong to. Basically, to sum it up, they found 2 guns, but who do they belong to? What does that mean? So they don't know, or are they trying to hide the narrative? I don't know. But this guy got shot because he had mace. That's not a reason to kill somebody. I wouldn't think. Bottom line is this guy, now some people are saying, see, he wasn't a licensed security guard. Nobody's saying he was, but he did contract himself out as a security guard, and that's the capacity in which he was working, whether lawful or unlawful. This guy he's a self-proclaimed security guard. And now he's being charged with second-degree murder. I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Community Leo Watch, watching Leos, that's law enforcement officers and security guards in Colorado from coast to coast.